Grandkids do not inherit. What does that mean? It means that if you don't have an estate plan in place, if you don't have something in writing, your grandkids are very likely not going to receive anything when you pass. Is that a problem? It may or may not be, but it's just something that you should be aware of. When you don't have something in writing, the laws of the state of Oklahoma dictate what happens to your assets. So if you have a spouse, your spouse may receive some or most or maybe all. And if you don't have a spouse and you have children, your children will likely share into your assets, leaving nothing for your grandchildren. The only time I can think of that your grandchildren would inherit something upon your passing would be if they are the children of a deceased child, of a predeceased child. So then that predeceased child's share gets distributed according to the laws of Oklahoma, which say that their children will inherit the share. So if you want to make sure that your grandchildren will receive something, it could be a car, it could be a lump sum of money, it could be some personal items, some family heirlooms. You have to make sure you have something in writing if you want to ensure that those kids indeed will receive these items. Many people look at this situation as in, I provide for my children and then my children are supposed to provide for their children, so I really don't want to, or I have no need to provide for my grandchildren. Some people may say, I don't want my grandchildren to wait until their parents pass in order to have a better chance at life, maybe to have a down payment on a house or maybe to pay off their student loans. So I want to make sure that I provide for them to receive something when I die. So the only way to do that is to make sure you have something in writing, or as an alternative, you may have them listed as beneficiaries on some of your financial accounts or a bank account. But there are some things to consider with that, so just be sure to sit down with an estate planning attorney or at least with a financial advisor to make sure that you fully understand the tax consequences and all pros and cons of this option. I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, if you are a grandparent and you want to make sure you leave something for your grandkids, be sure to give us a call at 405-857-8231. Thank you for watching.